welcome to a new adventure of Light Bar 6x6 Recovery. Enjoy and hit that subscribe. Anybody can come down here right now. Put the DVR in and it keeps shutting off.
Hey guys, got a side-by-side 10 amp, it's not how much 12 series.
This is where it wraps around the tire the first time. After the third river crossing, I see that it's not pulling from the front anymore, and he's driven over the rope at least 6 times. I ended up tearing my finger pretty good on his wheel well. So the story behind this is he was playing in the water, going rather fast, and the computer said there was an error and it wouldn't start. So 2019, there isn't much we could do. So I think we lost 5 cars due to hydrolocks, due to people going through the water too fast and sucking in water in the intake. So when you guys are out there, just be safe. Originally, I caught these guys trying to use a regular tie-down strap to tow that heavy truck out, and I told them no, I'd tow them out on. It'd be a lot less damage, and if they were to break the strap or something trying to get through these deep river crossings like this one, and you know, that truck probably weighs close to 5,000 pounds, and they're trying to tow it out with the Jeep that weighs 4,000 wet, so it's just easier for me to tow them out. rest of the 9 minutes is me unwrapping the rope and cutting my finger, and then after that the camera's starting to fail. So, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe. It's a little from you, a lot from me.